Hello and welcome to Quick Magic Tricks. Now, into the performance. So I would ask the spectators to pick any cards. Let's just say they pick this card here. For the sake of the performance, this is their card, is the Six of Hearts. So I would ask them to just put their card back inside of the deck at any point. So now they've put it back in the deck. I'm just now going to take it and give the deck some cuts. I'm going to give the deck a riffle shuffle, and I'll give the deck some overhand shuffles. I'll give the deck number. Okay, now I'll ask the spectator what the value of their card was, and because it was the Six of Hearts, I will just go 6, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and now the 6th card is their card, the Six of Hearts. Now, the magic that makes this trick. This trick is made up of two components. First, take out any cards. This can be any card that they want, and they would pick out their card. Let's just say it's the Ace of Spades. So you'd ask them to put it on the top, or you could ask them to put it in the deck, but the thing you have to do is you have to force it all the way to the bottom. Now, in one of my past videos I've showed how to do this. You could do an in-jog shuffle where you leave a break, or you just in-jog a card and then you cut back so the card's back on the top. Then you can do some overhand shuffles to force it and do some riffles, but make sure if it's on the bottom you do the pack that you've cut that's on the bottom first, riffle that one, and then riffle the second one. So go like this, go like that, and then keep it on the bottom. And now here is the second component that you need to do. This component is called the glide, where you take a card and you pull it back. Now the use of this is you can count out cards from the bottom, as many as you like, but you're not actually pulling the bottom card here. So the way we're going to do it now is we're going to ask the spectator what their card was, and depending on what they say, for the ace they could either say that they could say the ace, and then if it was the ace, or if it was a different face card, you could just say, okay, well, a face card is 10, or if you want, you can say it's blackjack numbers. And then for an ace, you can ask if they want it to be 1 or 11. It gives them more of a feeling of control when they're doing this trick. So you ask them, is the ace 1 or 11, because I found it here, but if it was any other card from 1 to 10, you'd ask them what their card was, and then the number. You would just go like that. So you ask the number and you deal out like this, that number. So if say they said 11, then you deal out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now 11. Once you have it on the card, the number that you need, you put it back and you deal out that card up like this after you've dealt all of these other cards face down. And then they see their card on the top, and hopefully there's an amazing reaction. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.